BMW is known for performance, engineering precision, and premium driving feel. But not every model in the brand's history lived up to that reputation. Today, we'll break down the 5 least reliable BMWs ever, the ones that earned the brand its infamous "break my wallet" nickname. Let's get into it. 1. BMW X5 A53. The first-generation X5 was revolutionary, but reliability? A disaster. The problem wasn't the design, it was the complexity. Models equipped with the 4.4-liter and 4.8-liter V8 engines suffered from constant oil leaks, cooling system failures, transmission issues, transfer case breakdowns, add-on air suspension problems, and suddenly you have a luxury SUV that spent more time on lifts than on roads. Despite its performance, early X5 ownership is expensive unless you enjoy weekly visits to a mechanic. 2. BMW 7 Series. This generation's 7 Series attempted to be too futuristic for its own good. Owners faced issues like the first-generation iDrive constantly malfunctioning, electronic modules failing one after another, air suspension collapse, battery drain problems, nightmare transmission failures. Even brand new, these cars were infamous for warranty claims. Used? They're some of the most unreliable luxury sedans you can buy. 3. BMW 3 Series. The N54 is legendary for tuning, but a nightmare for reliability. Common failures include high-pressure fuel pump failure, turbo wastegate rattle, injector failures, carbon buildup, cooling system breakdowns. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it sounds amazing, but long-term ownership? Painful and expensive. 4. BMW 5 Series. Perhaps BMW's most infamous modern engine? Problems included extreme oil consumption, timing chain stretch, turbo overheating, crankcase ventilation issues, expensive injector failures. BMW even launched a customer care package, basically an admission that the engine was breaking far too often. Repairs reached thousands quickly, making this one of the brand's worst engines for reliability. 5. BMW M60 Series. A masterpiece on paper, but a reliability time bomb. The legendary naturally aspirated V10 came with serious issues: rod bearing failures, throttle actuator malfunctions, SMG transmission problems, Vanos failures, astronomically expensive repairs. It's an engineering icon, but ownership requires the budget of a small kingdom. One mechanical failure can cost more than the entire car. And there you have it, the 5 most unreliable BMWs ever. Which one surprised you the most? Or maybe you owned one of these and lived through the repairs yourself? Let me know in the comments, I read everyone. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next automotive deep dive.